मेरे लिए ना it is a very emotional moment today and for those of you who know I lost my mother recently and मेरे लिए ये एक बहुत ही इमोशनल मोमेंट है कि आज इतना सब होने के बाद भी आप सबकी सपोर्ट के साथ वी आर एबल टू स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू and we are able to start something which is going to change the way medical education is done in the near future. हम पूरा का पूरा एजुकेशन सेक्टर के लिए मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी नई चीज़ लेके आएंगे जो मैं आपको भी दिखाऊंगा. वी शुड बी द गेम चेंजर. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया बहुत ही तेज़ी से बदल रही है. आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने चैट जीपीटी अभी तक डाउनलोड किया है ऐप के ऊपर? आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने चैट जीपीटी सुना है? आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सुना है? आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने ये सुना है कि एक दिन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हम सब के जो भी हम कर रहे हैं सब कुछ बदल देगी? सुना है? मैं दिखाऊंगा. आज हम पहला कदम ले रहे हैं. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा हम वहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं जहाँ हमारा सपना है पहुँचने के लिए, बट मैं बोलूँगा हमने बेबी स्टेप्स ले लिए हैं टूवर्ड्स अडॉप्टिंग टेक्नोलॉजी in a meaningful way, towards adopting technology into creating an impact for our students. शुरू करता हूँ and I'll start with the first slide. So this is how we have been traditionally being teaching. We have all been teaching in the face-to-face classrooms. 26 years back when we first started teaching, I don't know how many of you are from that era, we started teaching with chalk on a blackboard. I used to teach on a blackboard with a chalk and we used to have 8 hours classes, 10 hours classes and वो क्लास के बाद ऐसे रहता था. अब देखना कि there is a blackboard, chalk, we are writing, फिर वो लिखने के बाद दोबारा बदलना है तो क्या करना पड़ता था, याद है किसी को? डस्टर. So we used to take a duster, clean, हटा. जब तक शाम में होटल में वापस पहुँचते थे नहाना पड़ता था because your entire body, hair, everything was full of chalk. So we come from that era. वहाँ से हमने पढ़ाना शुरू किया. सबसे पहली इनोवेशन जो मैंने मेरी ज़िंदगी में देखी थी वाइट बोर्ड. वाइट बोर्ड आया तो चौक हट गया. वी हैड अ वाइट बोर्ड एंड वाज सो हैप्पी कि चौक से निकले. फिर उसके बाद दूसरा आया स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स. वी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग ऑन स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स, वी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग ऑन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सर्फेस, वी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग ऑन आईपैड्स. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे हमने जो चेंज लाए, वी स्टार्टेड गोइंग फ्रॉम फेस टू फेस टू ऐप लाइव टू रिकॉर्डेड. एंड अब जो इस समय पे हमारे जो ऐप के ऊपर लोग टीचिंग कर रहे हैं वो इस तरह से हो रही है. देयर आर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स. यू कैन सी सम वेरी फेमस डॉक्टर्स ऑन द स्क्रीन already and you can see teachers teaching live and you can see the students are so awestruck कि वो comment के अंदर भी सिर्फ hearts डाल रहा है. You can see Dr. Arvind teaching there. So we evolved from face to face, from blackboard to whiteboards to smart boards to app to recorded to live on the app with two-way interactions. Now what we have done is on the app now we have introduced a series of artificial intelligence based tools. The first tool that I want you to get introduced with, and you will hear a lot about this tool in the near future by students, is called as Cortex AI. Cortex AI is able to give you 24/7 doubt solving. It is able to give you automatic summaries of every lecture. It is able to give you a predictive test after the lecture. So the beauty of that test is we as teachers are not creating the test. It has taken a lot of manual labor out of our business now. The AI automatically listens to the lecture, understands what the teacher is emphasizing on, creates a predictive test, and also on the basis of cumulative performance of the student. After a student is performing cumulatively, the AI is telling them that what are your weak areas, what should you work on, how should you improve. I'll show you a sample to make sure that we understand. So this is the first tool I want you to see. I asked the AI what is the MRI appearance of CSF. This is a kind of question a student would ask me otherwise, and automatically 24/7 the AI will give you answer that these are the appearance of CSF on MRI. This is last year's NEET PG question. Now if a student has a question, he doesn't need to wait for a teacher. There is a AI tool, AI Cortex AI icon at the bottom of the app all the time, which is able to give you the answers to your questions that whatever you seek anytime. And can anybody tell me what is the best thing about AI? वो छुट्टी नहीं लेती, रात को सोती नहीं है, So, the things that we have as humans, we might get tired. Nothing of that sort happens with technology. And the most beautiful thing is कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं स्टूडेंट होता है, certain students are studying in the night, teachers are not, because of the certain age and the ideas that we have. Students तो रात को 2 बजे पढ़ रहा है, हम तो नहीं पढ़ रहे होंगे 2 बजे, हम सो रहे हैं रात को, हो सकता है ऐसा. 2 बजे उसको डाउट है, पहले वो सुबह तक वेट करता, अभी नहीं करेगा, उसके ऐप पे आइकॉन क्लिक करेगा, यू कैन आस्क द डाउट एंड ही गेट्स अ डिटेल्ड रिस्पॉन्स. And most interesting thing is, on the app, he can prompt. He can say, can you give me an answer which I can write in my theory exam? The answer will change. He can say, can you give me the key words that I need to know for my MCQ exam? The answer would change. And the student can tailor his own study according to his own set of weaknesses or his own set of strengths. I'll show you one more example. So what I want you to see is, if the student will select any lecture on the app now, suppose I select our Back to Basics course and I select radiology, I put on the lecture on CT scan. Now, whenever the student is now listening to lectures, you saw there are AI generated timestamps which easily tells him where are the topics. You can see the handwritten notes below the video. So student, even if he is not writing, whatever the teacher is teaching, the notes are already there. You can click on the Cortex AI, go to the golden points. I am a lazy student. Suppose I am a lazy student. I don't want to, spend time knowing the golden points. Now the AI is generating the keywords for me. I have this year met many students who are saying, okay, I am not listening to the lecture. I'm directly going to the golden point because the exam is close by. So the AI gives you the power, and then there is the feedback button. This system is not static, it is dynamic. Whatever the student will give a feedback on, which in this feedback, the AI is learning. Was it a good response or not? Is it helping you or not? Then you can go to the predictive test after the video. And this test I have not created, but I was amazed. It is all based on the questions that I ask in the class. What are my key things? And it was able to create and test the student on the lecture. So the post-class test, which used to be a hard work for me as an educator, now is taken care of by the AI. And at the end of the day, at the end of the test, you will get the score, you will get number of rights. You also need to know that how others are doing those questions, you get the full information. Okay. Now, another thing that the AI is doing now on the app is, on the app you will see an icon called as AI Intelligence Report. Now, when we click on the AI Intelligence Report, now you will see two icons called as Question Bank Analysis, Test Series Analysis. So when the student will click on Question Bank Analysis, he will get, now see the value that we cannot deliver as human. It is telling कि boss तुम्हारा anatomy के अंदर 64% accuracy है, लेकिन बाकी सभी subject में 83% है. You need to work on your anatomy. Surgery के अंदर NEET PG के अंदर तुम्हारा कम accuracy है बाकी questions के मुकाबले. And it gives you the input as a student, as a person, that boss, if I work on this, I can improve my rank. अगर मैं इस topic पे काम करूँगा, इस subject पे काम करूँगा, मेरा score बदल जाएगा. And it keeps telling you full information based on your performance in the app. More you work on the app, more the system learns about you, more it is going to guide you. बहुत सारे लोग ना naysayers होंगे जो इस समय बोलेंगे कि आने वाले टाइम में भी जैसे हम चल रहे थे वैसे ही चलते रहेंगे, दुनिया वैसी ही रहेगी. ऐसा होगा नहीं. अगले 2 साल के अंदर, 3 साल के अंदर, शायद 5 साल के अंदर, whatever we are doing right now would totally change. हम जैसे कर रहे हैं, and this is the beginning of it. जो मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ ना, this is the beginning of it. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि I am at the best level right now, because we are at the infancy of AI, but we are one of the early adopters of AI in education sector as of now. पूरे इंडिया में किसी भी सेक्टर में, किसी भी जगह, किसी भी प्रकार की एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन के अंदर, we are the first ones to adopt these AI tools. So the analysis can also be represented in graphical forms for easy understanding of the student. And I also wanted you to meet the first cut of a new teacher that we are introducing today. We have a new teacher with us. All the teachers are thinking, kaun sa aisa naya hai, dekha nahi. So she is Myra. We are going to introduce to you the first cut. I'm not saying she's perfect now, but she's work in progress. She's Myra, my revision assistant. Let me introduce to you Myra. So on the app now you'll see an icon a beautiful lady called as Myra. When you click on the Myra icon, yes. So the
Hello
Myra will
students, I'm Myra, your AI educator. Let's dive into some revision today. Which subject would you like to explore?
So most beautiful thing is she is
Hello,
asking
I'm
you which
Myra,
subject.
your AI instructor for today's interactive medical imaging lesson. Let's dive into some interesting radiological signs and appearances. 1. Acoustic enhancement is seen distal to cysts or fluid-filled areas. This is because sound waves travel better through fluid than solid tissues, leading to increased echogenicity beyond the cystic area. For example, you might see acoustic enhancement distal to a simple ovarian cyst. 2. Acoustic shadowing is seen with gallstones, calcifications, and air. These dense structures block the transmission of.
So I just, what is our idea is? Our idea is that whenever a student is studying, he wants to revise. And in medical science, for those of you who are in the academic side of the business with us, there are many subjects, there are many subtopics, and to revise it is a nightmare. Now, suppose you are a student today and you want to revise one particular subject. Now, will you ask that teacher to revise it for you? It becomes very tricky. Now, what Myra does is, Myra is trained on the entire of the database that is available in DAMS. And we are constantly training her to make sure that Myra is accurate. I'm saying her because women are always better teachers. So Myra, I'm sure, Dr. VT agrees, otherwise, I have to agree at home. So Myra learns from us constantly. We are evolving a 3D model of her. We are constantly working on our expressions. In future, you will see a lot more what we are showing right now. But the good thing is, she's like a assistant of the teacher. Now the student can pick up and she will say, which subject do you want to revise now? You say anatomy. You click on anatomy. She will revise 5 minutes of anatomy with you. And the most beautiful thing is she will never repeat what she has revised today in the subsequent sessions. Every time you log on, she has been taught that don't repeat the same thing again and again. So suppose I ask her to do radiology again, she will find another topic from the radiology sessions and revise it for me. She is the prototype of what you will see in future, an assistant to what you are doing. My understanding of technology right now is, a lot of people keep saying technology will replace humans. It is not true. Technology is a good servant for a good master. If you know how to use it, you can harness the power to make yourself more effective. What is our goal as educators? Our goal as educators is our students should be scoring the maximum possible marks in the exam. That is only possible if we help him with all we have. That includes our academics, but that also includes our technology. With all we have to push the students into the next level. Now, second thing we observed was that the new generation of our students have less attention span. And we have to keep them constantly engaged onto studies. Otherwise, they will divert. They have many things to go and, they will go into Instagram Reels, they might go into a TikTok or whatever. We have to keep them hooked on to the academic side of it. So we've introduced some small daily engagement tools. The first is a daily quiz which comes with a leaderboard. Earlier, we had a daily quiz only for the medical section. Now we have a daily quiz for every section separate. That means we have a daily quiz for nursing, we have a daily quiz happening on the app for dental, and even for every resident course, every learning objective, you will see a different daily quiz now, which is now being updated in your apps. The second thing that is happening is, we have a case of the day happening. Every day, an interesting case is shared on the app, and the students are coming and commenting on their inputs and discussing what is happening there. And third is a section called as Doctor's Lounge for open access videos. And fourth is a section on news and articles, where we are, bringing to them daily news or whatever is happening in the medical world. They should have an access to it on the single platform. My vision is to create a single platform where a student has to, whatever he wants is there on the app. He doesn't have to go to Twitter to check what is the latest news. He doesn't have to go to the newspaper to see what is the latest news. Is the exam form out or not? What exam seats are available? Or what is our analysis of the exam? So we keep putting those articles in the app itself to keep the student engaged every day. So these are the examples. This is the quiz of the day section. This is the doctor's lounge session. This is the case of the day section. This is the news section. Well, for example, even suppose as a doctor, even I may not be aware of it, that women with BRCA1 and 2 mutations have increased risk of developing anaplastic large cell lymphoma if they have a breast implant. So things like these keep happening, and we keep getting to know all of this in medical news. These are all highlighted in the news section on the app. This is the case of the day section of the app. Now, we have also gone deeper into what the students are thinking. And we have understood that this new generation, they need direct messaging. Indirect messaging does not work with them. The old school thoughts of sarcasm, they don't understand. Or, you give them a name and you wait for them to understand, they don't. So we had a course called as Ultimate Live. Now we are renaming it to App Live, because many of them could not understand. So Ultimate, where is live lecture going to happen? Which classroom? We said, no, it's on the app. So we said, okay, directly, App Live. We're changing the messaging. Second big thing that we are doing is our test and discussion course had 2 separate test and discussion courses, one for NEET PG, one for NASET. Now we are merging them both into a single TND. Both NEET PG and NASET TNDs will be available in a single TND. And we are adding second prof specific subjects in our Back to Basics. So a student can now join a DAMS course, which they were earlier joining in 3rd or 4th year. They can join it in the 2nd year itself, because we have created a specific folder in Back to Basics for second prof subjects. Now we went a layer further. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अगर हम सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी सोचते रहेंगे, then what about personalized teaching? What will happen is, as we evolve every day, technology will keep increasing. But एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि ना, you will be like, कि बॉस मुझे किसी इंसान से बात करनी है. And you can actually resonate with it if you have a problem with your mobile phone right now and you call customer care. It will be fucked up. पूरा दिन ऐसा आएगा उसके अंदर, मतलब you will have a press 1 to talk to a agent, and then you will say press 2, and then the agent will say ये, फिर वो उसका, and it will all be AI bots answering your queries. You will be like, boss, कोई इंसान दे दो. An insan will become the new luxury. So we've taken care of that all as well. Now in our app, we've introduced a section called as Mentor Desk, which is based on personalized learning, in which we launched a small phase in last 2-3 months where we have started one-on-one teaching. Now a student can scroll through the teachers, their available time slots, book a time slot with the teacher, and talk to him one-on-one. If everything is happening with technology, with app classes, live classes, face-to-face classes, no, he wants to know, boss, mera doubt kaun batayega? I have only one doubt. And now he can just book a time slot with the teacher and ask. Or he wants to ask about, sir, through my counseling, I am getting this subject or this college, and should I opt for orthopedics or not? Should I go for ENT or not? Should I join AIMS Bhubaneswar or AIMS Rishikesh? He can ask all those doubts by booking a slot with the teacher of his choice. He can, there is a section on Mentor Desk called as USMLE guidance. The student can click and book a slot with our USMLE mentors and talk to the teacher directly and say, मैं कब exam दूँ? Abhi दूँ क्या ना दूँ? Yeah, what are the forms I need to fill? You can have that one-on-one guidance, and this is the section. We have also introduced a subsection called as special events. We have done, and we are still in process of doing a lot of small events. Like we did with one of our faculty members, we did a session on aesthetic training. We are looking at, so this is the creative place where we will not stick only to educating for exams or test prep. We want to go into the skill side of it as well. So this is the side where you can create an event of your own choice as an educator and use it for future. This is how it looks like on the app. Book one-on-one with the faculty, book for USMLE, revision events, special courses. This year was another landmark that there is an event that we do call for revision called as DAMS DVT. It is called as visual treat because of the visual nature of the event. This year, with the support of all of you, I thought that why not do it in multiple cities. This event has 30 teachers and thousands of students attending the session. So 30 teachers, thousands of attendees, and we did it in 6 cities this year. It was like a barat going from one place to another, and hats off to all of you. We did it seamlessly. पूरे इंडिया में कोई नहीं कर पाया था, किसी ने आज तक ऐसा नहीं किया था कि 7 days का इवेंट, 30 टीचर्स फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर एंड कंसिडरिंग द रिस्क्स एसोसिएटेड विद एयर ट्रैवल नाउ डेज, with the Air India flights, we managed, and every one of us reached on time to the center. Every one of us delivered on time, and every event was seamless. We did it in 6 cities across the country. We went ahead and we thought, okay, the student is giving the paper on the mobile phones, but the real exam would happen in computer centers. So this year, for both our NEET PG aspirants as well as foreign medical graduate students, we did a computer-based test in the computer centers. Next year, I will do it for NORCET also. All over India, I want to make sure that the tests are done in the manner in which their real exam is conducted. Student phone पे exam देता रहता है, उसको exam में जाके पता ही नहीं चलता असली exam की feeling क्या आती है. He should feel less anxious in the real exam, and DAM CBT is widely regarded as the gold standard for the exam simulation. Now, we did not stop at this. We thought, why not, do everything a student needs? Now, many students, and you'll be surprised, are still reading books. Many students, they are still reading books, and they need a place where they can buy their medical books. And we thought we should start a separate publications wing. Now, when I say publication wings, it is end-to-end done by us, from the academic content, from the paper quality, typesetting, to printing, to delivery, and to sell. We do everything on it. So this year we created many bestsellers on Amazon in the PGME segment through our publication wing. We've also launched things like apparel and equipment. Dr. Deepti will talk about it, so I'm not going into it. It's very exciting. And we also launched some collaborations, like we did a collab with iPad, where if you buy an iPad from our platform, you'll get our course on that iPad activated for a certain amount of time. We started doing some interesting collabs. And I think in the next generation, we would be doing a lot more brand collabs. And in the next year or so, we will make sure that you will see a lot more of us in a new avatar. You will not see the boring old ideas that we had. We want to evolve. We want to evolve. And this is how the MediMart section on the app looks like. Very neat and clean. You can select your books. You can select iPad. And you'll be surprised, even Littmann stethoscopes. The dream that every doctor has to buy a Littmann. Littmann stethoscopes are now available on the DAMS app. So, I wanted to make sure that I give this message through this event today, that when in 1999 we thought about that doctors need something extra for their NEET PG preparation. They need something extra to, get through competitive exams. We were the people who started NEET PG coaching in India. We were the people who started this entire segment in India. We were the alphas of this jungle. We are the people who started face-to-face coaching all over India. We are the people who did it. Like we showed the way to everybody else in this sector. सबको हमने दिखाया कि कैसे करना है. So we thought let us keep the leadership in the technology side also. Here onwards, I am here to tell you, here onwards, not only in the academic front, I'm sure all the teachers would agree, you all are the alphas of your subject. Do you agree or not? Yes. You all have taught others what is to be taught in their coachings. Everybody else has learned from you or your notebooks. They're all your Eklavyas, they've been learning from you. I am now declaring here onwards, not only in the academics, we will now be the alpha in technology, and we are the first movers in the alpha A for artificial intelligence. To make sure that this message goes on to everybody, I am here announcing a new logo for DAMS. We are changing the old logo to a new logo with a very neat and clean colors, with an idea alpha. Alpha means we are the people. हर जंगल में एक ही alpha होता है. इस business के alpha हम ही हैं. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you.
at the outset, I would like to thank each one of you because aap ho to DAMS hai, right? I might be called the heart, but you're all the soul of DAMS. So a big round of applause for all our faculty, our team, and definitely the man behind DAMS. So yes, Dr. Sameer has already introduced what is DAMS now. It is DAMS Alpha. And the app is redesigned with purpose and it is reimagined for you. The change isn't coming. The change is already here. We are stronger, sharper, and smarter. We are not only saying that the app just got a glam up, we are also strengthening the product base. And here are some very, very important changes which students are going to love. It's student friendly. The products get stronger. They get more from what they want from DAMS. So some of the first changes that we need to know. Ultimate App Live course is our biggest offering on the app. And we are now making it more simplified by saying this is App Live. It is a live class on the app with two-way interaction, with instant doubt solving, with great faculty mentoring, boosting the morale and motivating apart from giving the core content. The Ultimate App Live teaching is workbook based, and we all know how much that is loved when we say it is workbook based. It is concise, crisp, yet the core content is much more stronger, much more simply delivered, which is what the students are loving, right? The most important thing is that we now have live fast track TND as a part of the App Live course. You know, when we are delivering them content, concept, we also want them to learn the application of the same. And we are bringing in the much loved fast track live TND in the inclusions of App Live course, which will help the student to constantly see whether they're able to apply the core content or not. What is now new at DAMS apart from this? So, test and discussion is our most loved course when it comes to rapid revising, making it a beautiful hybrid between the live interaction and the self-learning pace of back to basics. So now in the TND, our students will get both the offerings. They will have INI TND live on the app as well as NEET PG TND live on the app. Not just that, when I say the product gets stronger, our students are going to get 2 live cycles of NEET PG TND and 1 live cycle of AnySet TND. So which gives it a very, very effective learning, multiple hammerings, and a much more, a stronger way of keeping the core content with you, but yet in a different format. So TND is one of the most loved courses on the app. And yes, we are making it stronger and better. We also have introduced this year workbook-based teaching. And I am sure each one of you will agree that workbook has become the heart and soul of our content delivery. It gives everything the students want in the form of active learning, images, algorithms, tables at one place. And also the flow of the class is such that it makes it very, very effective for the faculty as well to deliver the content in the right amount of time. Our faculty and our content has been known to be the best ever since. They know exactly what to deliver, how to deliver, how much to deliver, and that's what makes us stand apart from anyone else. So these are some of the brilliant changes that we are going to bring in that I am sure every student is going to love and appreciate. We have been all talking about app, but what is the beauty of DAMS? Beauty of DAMS is our live interaction, not just on the app, but also in our face-to-face centers. We are the only institute who are delivering the human touch. The one pat on the back that the student gets, the one thumbs up that the student gets from you, the one name you call out on stage stays with the students' heart, and they are even more motivated. So yes, we are happy to announce our new face-to-face centers, which we are introducing at Trichy and at Patna. We are also very happy to have our new partners in DAMS Bhopal and DAMS Pune. Welcome to the family. We are expanding not just on the app, but also in our human touch. We are taking it to the next level, and we have started already with our beautiful residential campuses. Can we play the music as well? With the beautiful residential campuses at DAMS Kola, Trichy, Trivandrum, Coimbatore, and Thrissur. They are stand apart, class apart, and this is what is our vision. We are going to expand more and more into the residential campus section to bring it a more wholesome experience for every student at DAMS. And it wouldn't have been possible with the efforts that you all have put in to bring us to this level. Thank you so much, team. It's been a pleasure. And yes, when I say that they are class apart, they are class apart. We all want to go there, don't we? It's all inclusive. It's fun, festivities, motivation, education, everything together under one roof. From eating together to learning together. Right. What else? What else is DAMS doing? So we are expanding. We are bigger, better, stronger. Everything under one roof. And now we also have a wonderful, wonderful new venture called DAMS Nursing. Nursing एक ऐसी दुनिया है जो हमसे बहुत जुड़ी हुई है intricately, right? And we are together as a team. And what is so special? DAMS Nursing, we have special teachers who are from the nursing category. They are doing brilliant job in the hospitals, but they are doing an even brilliant job in the teaching. So thank you so much to our nursing team. And what is the edge? What is the advantage? We have wonderful doctors now also teaching the nursing students. So it is great to have this combination where nurses and doctors are coming together to get an amazing experience. We've started face-to-face center in DAMS Jaipur, and it's been remarked the guidance of Dr. Mala and various of our faculty members. Thank you, everyone. A new way of delivering content and concepts to our dental graduates. We now have a DAMS dental wing which is being redesigned, and it is completely on the app. So we have app live classes for our dental students as well as recorded lectures for our dental students, making it much more widely available for, all our dental category students. And we have some wonderful faculty. So a big round of applause for our dental faculty as well. We decided a doctor is incomplete unless we are dressed in that way. And very proudly so. When people want to wear shorts, middies, and minis, what is our cape? Our cape is our apron. Our cape is our scrubs. And the most powerful weapon that we have, a mark of excellence, is our stethoscope. We have earned it. And today, very proudly, we are launching a new range of apparels. And I say these apparels are future-ready uniform for the intelligent clinician. We are going to use AI to strengthen us, to make us smarter, and to make us more impactful. And it cannot be complete without us launching Alpha by DAMS. So our apparel company, or the range is going to be called as Alpha by DAMS. So yes, there are going to be aprons, and they will have beautiful logos. We can also, put the names, and we are going to do various things for it as well. There are scrubs and there are stethoscopes.
Guys, can we have some noise? Come on, everybody.
Let's have a look. sure, just as I take the pride, I'm sure each one of you do, because you have what has brought us here. So, DAMS Alpha, Alpha by DAMS, we are the new era, and it begins with us. Thank you so much, everyone.